Hey folks, DeRosa here. Wanted to personally invite you to a rehab event I'm having this Saturday and this Sunday in Tampa, Florida. As you can see, I'm driving down there right now. At this event, we're going to spend all day Saturday telling you everything you need to know about how to find rehabs, how to fund them, then how to fix them up, pick your contractor, do your budget, your scope of work, every aspect of the buy, fix, and flip, we're going to cover on Saturday. We're going to help you with the forms, show you all the paperwork, and then we're going to tell you, what your exit strategies should be and what happens if contingencies. So this is going to be starting at 9 a.m., going till 6 p.m. on Saturday, and then we have a bonus day on Sunday, which we are going to go out into the field and we're going to be looking at houses. We're going to take you out, give you the forms, go out and teach you how to look for a scope of work, what to look for, how to budget that, all the things you should be looking for in your rehab. So I look forward to seeing you. Click wherever there's a button to click to sign up. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., February 1st. And then we'll have a second day on Sunday. I'll see you shortly. Thank you very much. And have a good day.